Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Mike Hanselman, owner of Small Arms Pistol Academy, and today I have a pretty cool video for you guys. I think it's a product called Invisawear. This is their black keychain. Basically, it's going to be unisex, so male, female, whatever. You could always use this product. I'll bring it over. I'll zoom in on the actual video so you guys can see this a little better too. But Invisawear is a discreet product that you could, add to your EDC. And basically, if you had a fire, or medical, or like a self-defense emergency, you would be able to double tap that charm. So right here, you would just press that 2 times. It's going to contact your emergency contacts for you. If you guys wanted to pay for ADT, it would also contact them as well as 911. And you can set it up so it contacts 1 or 2 or all 3. So what I'm going to do is just go to my phone. I'm going to get this box out of the way. Alright guys, so I do have the app right here. I've already downloaded it, filled it out with my emergency contact, stuff like that. So I'm going to open up the app. Now, once you open up this app, because I'm at the point where I am, it's searching for it through Bluetooth. But what I need to do is actually press the charm itself so that it could, find this product. It does say that it may take about 10 seconds. It found it very quickly. So I'm going to click pair on this and just set that back down. Now it's going to ask for the device title, so I'm going to just move my phone and I'll type that stuff in. I'm just going to label it as keychain, nothing fancy, and we'll be good here. So I have this. You can remove the device, you can add other devices. So if you had the necklace, if you have the athletic band, a bracelet, whatever, you could add other devices to this. I'm just going to click next. This is the only one we're going to add right now. And we're going to place a test alert. So I'm going to click this button right here. It says double press the Invisawear. I guess I don't press a button, so I'm going to just double press the charm. So I just did that. And it says that they're texting my emergency contacts right now. Now, at the bottom, I can cancel this. It says you activated the emergency alert. If you would like to cancel it, press cancel. So I'm just going to cancel it. My emergency contacts don't need to get anything. And when you actually set up the app, what you do is create a PIN. So now I have to authenticate it. So I'm going to move that. I'll authenticate. Okay, so once I did that, it said, "Phew, glad to know you're okay." And it sends me a notification. And then it's just going to return back to its home screen. Perfect. So like I said earlier, when you're actually in here, the cool thing about this jewelry is being so discreet. If you were an older person, maybe you don't want to wear that big life alert thing around your neck or anything, you could wear a necklace. If you had a medical emergency, you needed police to come, if there was a fire at your location, a car crash, anything like that, whether it was you or something that you witnessed, you could just double tap that charm like we did, and it's going to start notifying all those authorities for you. So really cool on that aspect. I'm going to close the app here because I don't need to do anything. We don't need ADT, assistance or anything like that. So here's the jewelry. So there's the jewelry right there. Like I said, it just looks really nice. It's clean. It's very discreet. You could use this with your keychain like what I have right here. Just clip it to your keys. You could wear the necklace, you could wear the bracelet, an athletic band if you go for runs or something out, at nighttime or even during the day. And you just want like a level 1. The first thing that you could do if you felt threatened or anything is press that button right there, just double tap it. And it's going to start notifying all of your emergency contacts, 911, ADT if you're on that plan as well. So really cool product. I do have a discount code. I'm going to release that. It should show up on the screen. It's also going to be down in the bottom for the description of the video. So if you guys want to utilize that. As a heads up though, this product, I am an affiliate of them. So if you guys use that discount code, I will get kickbacks from them. And I just want to, that to be clear. Now I do think this product is awesome, so you should check it out. But I want you to understand that I am an affiliate of the company for Invisawear, so I will get those kickbacks. And I think it's important to disclose that stuff and have a kind of just be open about that as well. So if you guys have questions about the product, go ahead and leave it in my comments, or something else you could do always is just go to Invisawear and you could look at their their web page as well, and you could probably get a little bit more details on some of their stuff. So I think that's pretty cool. All right, guys, so I'm going to take off. If you're not a subscriber to our channel already, make sure you do give our page, the subscribe button, turn that alert notification on so you know when the new videos are released. And as always, the more comments, likes that we get on our stuff, we can beat those algorithms. So feel free to leave whatever down there. I appreciate it. Take care.